Oh, the bird already started. Let's do it next time. It's raining. Woo! Sarap mag-harvest. Okay, tingnan natin guys kung gaano siya katamis. Fresh from the tree. Wow, oh my gosh. Hinog na guys. Sarap. Sarap, grabe. Sarap guys. Papamukbang kainan ni Waris ito eh. Sarap. It's a beautiful day guys. It's morning here. So today I'm going to take all weeds, yung mga extra grass na nandiyan. So then later we will going to do harvest. Yee! See you guys. Ito ang laki guys, oh. Weed din to eh. Itong kolokin to, laki-laki. Ang bilis lumaki. I got it. Oh, shoot. Ang laki oh. Naputol. Oh, shoot. Nakuha ko yung pinakaano niya.
A few moments later.
There we go guys, already done. We already cleared the weeds here. Come take a look at this. It's so clear. This is my tomatoes mixed with my bell pepper. I have to took some from there. We will gonna do it together. Let's do it. super dami sa ilalim. Oh, ayun oh. Oh my gosh, ang dami. Whew. Sarap. Ang sarap mag-harvest. Dami ko nang oh. Oh, ang dami pa doon. Super. Lipat tayo sa kabila kasi parang may mga hybrid ako doon na tomatoes, mga malalaki. Let's see, guys. Sobrang mayabong. Hindi ko na makuha yung mga ilalim. Ang dami, guys. Tingnan nyo. Woo! Ang dami. Now let's do the chile. So many chile over here. Ooh, let's go get this sweet cherry peppers. Oh guys, ang dami ko nang nakuha. At marami pa rin. Ayan o. I really need somebody to harvest here. Ang dami pa rin niya. Let's go naman sa chili labuyo. Chili pikin! Yeah! Woo! I love this. Super anghang. Super anghang nito guys. As in, super anghang. Woo! 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 My asawa is funny. I was scared with the frog. Guys, I'm here in the grapes. I'm gonna get some and taste it. Ooh. Mukhang matamis na talaga siya. Let's see. Beeswax. Oh my gosh, honey. Scary. It means it's so sweet.
So this one here.
Ooh.
So you just take and break that off. That's what you want to show.
My gosh. My hubby got the biggest one.
Heidi, no, Heidi.
Oh, Heidi?
I'll take care of them. Thank you.
Okay, let's gonna taste some grapes if it's good. Because the bees are taking advantage before us. Ooh. Oh yeah, so we're gonna try to eat some. I'm gonna try to eat some here. So beautiful, love. How about this one? Is it good, right?
Taste it. You tell me. They're ripe. Those ones look a little light.
Yeah.
They
So
should be a little bit like that.
it should be clean, clean. You know. Let's try it. Wow, so sweet.
Can you imagine if they were bigger?
Yeah, my husband is telling me that next time we have to trim down the fruits so it will be more bigger. So it's only have to be about 6 like this. Kasi bakit na dun eh, super dami, super a lot of fruits. It should be just 6 like this and it goes more bigger. No. Okay, I have all the way. Yay, we're done harvesting for today. I have lots of grapes, guys. Yee. Thank you, Lord. So we'll see, guys, on the next harvest with some of my friends. I'll invite them because there's still a lot here. See you on our next part.